Perfect, perfect. Hi everyone, this is Gyan. Before we start the PPT kind of stuff, or we get into the detail of the PMP certification program. Let us have a small introduction, and then we'll continue. So I would request, if you can come online for 5 minutes, probably on the video call, that would be great, so that we can have a similar kind of classroom kind of feelings. That is only for next 5-10 minutes, and then we'll continue our uh, normal session. Yes, Deepak.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Myself, Deepak Mahajan. Currently, I'm working as a project manager in Atomberg Technologies, Pune. I have total 17 years of professional experience. So, past 6 years, I'm working in a project management team. Considering the professional growth, I decided to complete my PMP certification.
Introduce myself. I am Gyanendra Singh. You may call me Gyan. You can see the short name at your computer screen. From the qualification, as say, I'm mechanical engineer. I have done MBA in finance, done MBA in operation management. About the certifications, I'm PGMP certified, PMP certified, and have done few more certifications related to the project management only. So almost all the certification I've gone through, which are popular. About my works experience, so I've got say, about 24 years of the experience, and fortunately, all my 24 years of the experience is the project management. So I started my career by using the Microsoft project 23 years back. And from there, I started using the best practices of the project management, PMP, Prince2, whatever guidelines being provided. And those 20 years of the experience, I got an opportunity to head the project of, say, at a time I was doing 5-6 projects at a time. And currently I'm heading the project of $5 billion. It's a huge projects which we are doing now. So this is my work experience. As of now, I must have done more than 1,000 training program across the world. I have traveled in many countries just for doing the training programs. But all my training programs related to the project management only, not necessarily the PMP only. Possibly one of the area of the PMP, for example, schedule, cost management, recovery of the derailed project, contract management, risk management. So these are the specific training programs which I have gone through many times. So why I have experienced all, I have shared all this experience. I would request you to ask the questions as many you have. The people always think that there should be a good trainer to conduct a good training program. Trainer must have a good experience to conduct the good training. But here slightly, a change in the understanding. It is very important to be the active, both the side. The learners should also be equally active, should be proactive to ask the questions. It has to be interactive. It has to be both way. Unfortunately, because we are doing this training program online based, so most of the time, I am not able to see you. So it is for me, it is being difficult to understand whether the topic which I have discussed is in line your expectation or you understood well or not. Today, I'm just going to talk about the PMP prerequisites, the requirement, and how much time it should take, and how are we going to conduct this training program. That is the only objective of this session today. Certification benefits, I hope you already aware of because you have already enrolled in this training program. This certification is globally recognized. It helps in the career advancement and earning potentials as well. Enhanced credibility and expertise, right? If somebody holds the PMP certification, at least the professionals in the industry accept that certificate and say that the person has already done, must have the knowledge with him or her. PMP examination study resources which you need to go through is PMO guide, formal training which you are already with us, doing with us, practice questions and the simulators. We are going to do a lot of questions during the training program. Probably after each session, I'm going to give you 20 to 25 questions, and we will be doing a lot of activities in between as well. The study group and forums. You may join the study group and forums, or you can create your own group as well. Because you are the sixth person can build a group. You can add me also in that group so that I can guide you, help you during the journey of the PMP certification. So what you need to do for applying the PMP certification, you need to create your account in pmi.org, which is free of cost, complete application, submit application and pay the fees. PMI randomly pick 5% of the application for review. So if in case your application get into the review format, they may take 5 to 10 days or sometime 30 days time to get the clearance from the audit. And once it is done, then you may proceed for scheduling the exam with the help of the Pearson VUE. Nowadays, Pearson VUE is providing the facility. You can schedule your exam from home and from center also. So you can write the exam from your office or home, or also by visiting the center as well. If in case, as I said, that there are 5% application, PMI select for the audit. If in case application get into the audit, in that case, one need to send the proof of education, experience verification, and 35 contact hours proof. So these are the requirement which has to be shared to get the final approval. Now, what questions I have observed in my past training program, people say, sir, whether now we are going to write the exam on the PMO guide 7th edition. Whether 6th edition is still relevant, should we refer it or not? So my answer is yes, this is very much relevant, because 7th edition itself advised that you must refer some of the area from the 6th edition only. So there are certain difference. I think if I explain now, probably it will be too much for you. But once we finish the PMO guide 7th edition, then when to go with this compare, probably that time it will be easier to understand this. But do remember, you need to read the 6th edition and also the 7th edition for passing the PMP certification program.